Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making some napkin rings from a toilet tissue holder, some buffalo check wrapping paper that I got from the Dollar Tree, some berries, and I'm going to be using this pick that I already had. And I'm just going to be using the garland part off of the picks. Let's get to it. First, cut your tissue holder in half. And I've already pre-cut some wrapping paper. And you just want to wrap the tissue holder in the wrapping paper. Place some glue on the tissue holder and start wrapping the paper. Once you've wrap the paper, you want to fold this part in so that it'll have a straight seam, and glue it down securely. Then you want to bend the ends of the wrapping paper into the tissue holder and try to get it as straight as you possibly can. And if it's too long, you can use your scissors to cut the excess off. After folding your ends in, this is how the covered napkin rings should look. Aren't they gorgeous? The inside is a little rough, but like I said, these are only for decorative purposes. And if you want to make yours more permanent, then you can get some better materials to use for yours. Now I'll be adding the pine. So I just got some wire cutters and I'm going to be attaching that, and some berries to complete the look. So once I've added this, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. This is what the completed napkin ring looks like with the pine and the berries added. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? And I also got some napkins to place inside to show you how they look with some napkins, with the black ones. Isn't that gorgeous? That is absolutely stunning. You couldn't even tell it was just Dollar Tree berries and garland and wrapping paper and a toilet tissue holder. And I also picked up a white napkin, and it just looks adorable on that white also. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. And peace be upon you, and bye.